Hey there! Are you looking for a quick and easy way to boost your confidence? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to do just that with some simple facial yoga exercises. Facial yoga is a great way to release tension, improve circulation, and increase blood flow to your face, giving you a natural glow and a more relaxed appearance. One easy exercise you can try is the lion pose, where you open your mouth wide, stick out your tongue, and make a roaring sound. This helps to relax your jaw and release any tension you may be holding in your face.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to talk to you about boosting your self-esteem with mindful eating of sugar-free snacks. When we nourish our bodies with wholesome foods, we not only improve our physical health, but also our mental well-being. Choosing sugar-free snacks can help regulate our blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and mood swings that can negatively impact our self-esteem. Main story point 1. By practicing mindful eating of sugar-free snacks, we become more aware of our hunger cues and can better listen to our body's needs. This can lead to a healthier relationship with food and a greater sense of self-control. Main story point 2. Sugar-free snacks can also boost our confidence by promoting clear skin, improved digestion, and overall vitality. When we feel good on the inside, it radiates outward, enhancing our self-esteem and self-image. So remember, nourishing your body with sugar-free snacks not only benefits your physical health, but also boosts your self-esteem. Treat yourself with love and respect, one mindful bite at a time. Uplifting ending sentence. You are worthy of feeling your best, inside and out. Embrace mindful eating and watch your self-esteem soar. Sparkling heart sparkles. Hey there, friends. Today, I want to share with you 5 mindful ways to boost your growth with healthy breakfasts. First, let's start with incorporating a variety of nutrients into your breakfast. Include a mix of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and vitamins to fuel your body and mind for the day ahead. Next, focus on portion control. It's easy to go overboard with breakfast, but being mindful of your serving sizes can help you maintain a balanced diet and avoid unnecessary calories. Remember to savor your breakfast. Take the time to sit down, enjoy each bite, and be present in the moment. Mindful eating can help you appreciate your food and prevent overeating. Lastly, prioritize hydration. Pair your breakfast with a glass of water or herbal tea to kickstart your metabolism and keep you feeling refreshed throughout the day. Uplift your mornings and fuel your growth with these mindful breakfast habits. Cheers to a healthy and vibrant start to your day. Hey there! Are you looking to achieve that coveted glass skin naturally? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you a guide on how to strengthen your mindset to help you achieve the glass skin of your dreams. First things first, start by practicing positive affirmations daily. Tell yourself that you are beautiful inside and out, and believe it wholeheartedly. A positive mindset can work wonders for your skin and overall well-being. Next, focus on nourishing your body with healthy foods and staying hydrated. Your skin reflects what you put into your body, so make sure you fuel it with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and water. Remember, achieving glass skin is not just about skincare products, it's about taking care of yourself from the inside out. By strengthening your mindset and treating your body with love and care, you'll be on your way to achieving that enviable glass skin naturally. Uplift your spirits and watch your skin glow like never before.
Hey there, lovely souls. Are you feeling overwhelmed and stressed out lately? Your skin might be trying to tell you something. Here are 5 signs that your mindset needs a quick break for better skin detox habits. First, if you're experiencing breakouts or dullness, it could be a sign that your mind is in overdrive. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin, so take a moment to breathe and relax. Secondly, if you find yourself constantly reaching for unhealthy snacks or neglecting your skincare routine, it might be time to reset your mindset. Nourish your body and soul with healthy habits for glowing skin. Remember, self-care starts from within. Take time to rest, recharge, and practice mindfulness for a clearer mind and healthier skin. Uplifting ending sentence, so go ahead and give your mindset a break for better skin detox habits. Your skin will thank you. Sparkling Heart Herb Hush Self-Care Sunday.